Okay, we're here at Smart Energy with our good friends GoodWe Energy and John Wright. Mate, your stand looks incredible as always. There's a lot going on.
Yep.
Can you run us through all the different technology that you're showcasing here?
Certainly can. So we're just showing a cross-section of a wide product range. It's one of the widest on the market. So trying to showcase everything in one go, nigh impossible. So we've gone for compartmentalizing, showing our Eco Smart Home solution, which encompasses everything you need for a residential system, including inverters, of course, hybrid inverters, brand new high voltage battery solution, which is stackable.
Fantastic.
So it covers everything from a small home to a very, very large commercial business. EV chargers, of course, and it's all mix and match, and it's all can be tailored to the homeowner or business owner's needs. On the back of that, we've also got our commercial range as well, which we're heavily investing into to make sure that we're providing an ideal solution for medium to large corporate businesses as well. And tying also into that, we also have our new BIPV range, which is a range of solar building materials that are dedicated to applications where traditional solar panels are not quite appropriate, such as low load bearing structures that don't require roof penetration, so our lightweight solar panels can be glued or clamped onto a rooftop, which makes it ideal for factory rooftops, tin sheds, pergolas, patios, all of that kind of thing. We also have our carport solution, which is called Polaris, and that's great for people who want to add a carport structure to their house or a commercial building and have the benefit of adding solar on top and really maximize that rooftop space.
That's absolutely incredible. So you're literally covered off every single component
Yep.
in a solar power system. Obviously starting off with inverters, battery storage, solar panels, pergolas, carports, EV chargers. When you're releasing an EV car?
I have put that in the ideas box, the headquarters. We'll see what happens.